Hello, and welcome to Huncoat at the middle of the night. And we are here today to see the 2340 service to Rosegrove. No, we're not. We are here today to see what's categorised as the new measurement train, but it's apparently being run by 37s. So I'm just going to say it's a test train, because apparently it's categorised as a NMT, new measurement train, which I thought that was just 43s that ran that. So let's just get right into the action of seeing the 37s probably expected to pass here at like 33, 32, 34. And it is currently 26, so we've got about 8 minutes. We're going to be joined by someone who's going to arrive a bit shortly, but you'll have to be a bit quick because the train's not going to wait for them. So let's just see if there's a train before the 37. Barry's going down the test train is at Burnley-Manchester Road. This is very much Burnley-Manchester Road. No, it's not. So this is going to just be the service to Manchester Victoria from Blackburn. Obviously, if it was the service to, if it was the test train, that red signal would have illuminated green. But obviously it's still red, so therefore it's clearly not the test train. And why do I feel like I can see Blackpool Tower? It's not there's a little red. If you come down to the station at night, you'll notice a little red light towards Blackpool way. I feel that's a tower. Obviously, it's only really visible in the dark. Nah. Let's just see a train. Right, passing by now is going to be the passenger train. This is not the test train. I repeat, this is not the test train. This is just 150/156 combo. This is running Blackburn to Manchester Victoria. 151 good late tone, and 15123 is on the rear of that. Good little delayed tone there as it cruises through, and I think I've awoken a few people. There's Nightline bus. That'll probably be off to Accrington Nightstand. Now let's wait for the test train now. So the barriers have gone down. That signal is green, which means the train is imminent. I think I see its headlights coming around the corner. Not sure, but I think I do. And the suspected someone I said was going to turn up hasn't. So going to wait for its headlights to wrap around that corner. I can definitely hear it. Just going to wait for it to wrap around the corner. thought by now I'd be able to see the headlights wrapping around the corner. Definitely hear it, but I just saw its headlights there peeking onto the tracks. It seems like my eyes are making this like 480p vision. And I'm just gonna wait for its headlights. Oh, that's it. That's it. And I can hear it as well. Come on. There's the headlights wrapping around the corner. Oh! 37,254! Oh, the Canton! Brilliant tones! 37,219! Conti Traffic! That is more than what I wanted. That is spectacular. Thanks for watching. That is way more than what I expected there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.